Hello everyone and welcome to Mr. Mechanics. And in this video we will go over how we can control speed and direction of a DC motor using Arduino Nano. Here's a short clip of what we will be able to achieve at the end of this video. Here's a list of some items that we would need for this project. We would need Arduino Nano, a DC motor, L293D IC, and a breadboard and some jumper wires. Here I have listed the connections that we will have to make. Pin 1 on L293D is connected to pin number 9, D9, which is PWM pin. Pin number 2 is connected to D5 on Arduino. Pin number 3 is connected to the DC motor terminal. Pin number 4 on the IC is connected to ground on the breadboard. Pin number 6 is connected to the DC terminal on the motor, to the motor terminal, sorry. Pin number 7 is connected to D6 on Arduino. Pin number 8 is connected to 5 volts on the breadboard. Pin number 16 is also connected to 5 volts. And also something to note, we will be using Arduino 5 volts to connect to the breadboard to power our motor as well as the IC. Also, we would need to make ground connections. So ground from Arduino is connected to the breadboard. I've also highlighted the pins on this sheet that we will be using. So I've opened my IDE. First thing you need to do is you need to connect your Arduino Nano to your computer, and then you need to do a couple of things. You need to select the port for your Nano, and then you will need to select the board. Since I'm using Nano, I'll use this. First things first, I have declared int speed equals 9. So 9 is the pin here. 9 is the pin on the board. It says D9, but since speed is the value, we use it as a PWM. Pin 9 on Arduino Nano can be used as a PWM pin, which is also called pulse width modulation. So the second pin is, we can use any digital pins on the Nano. So I've used pin number 5 and pin number 6. And in the setup, I am assigning pin mode speed as output. So this will be output. Pin 9 will be set as an output. Also direction clockwise, which is this pin number 5. When 5 will be high, it will enable a clockwise direction, and so direction clockwise, which is pin 5, I have set as an output. Direction anti-clockwise I have set as an output as well. So in the loop, and this is a very simple and basic code. So here I am doing analog write and speed. So analog write, this is the pin number 9, which I am giving the value of 160. Something to note here is we can give a value from 0 to 255, but anything below I would say 160, the motor will not move on its own. So what we need to do is so to run at a minimum speed, I've set it at 160, and you can also give a maximum value of 255, which will be the maximum value at which the motor will run at a given voltage or current. So digital write, so I am saying I'm doing this digital write direction clockwise high. So this will make up, so we are making pin 5 high, and pin 6 is low. Pin 5 is high and pin 6 is low, which will make the motor turn clockwise. And we are doing this for 3 seconds. After 3 seconds, we stop the motor. We make direction clockwise low and direction anti-clockwise low. So we are making both these pin number 5 and 6 low, which will stop the motor. And you can also do this by making both of them high, which will also stop the motor. So we stop the motor for about 2 seconds, and after that we make the motor turn anti-clockwise. So direction clockwise is low and then direction anti-clockwise is high. So pin number 5 is low and pin number 6 is high, which will make the motor turn anti-clockwise, and we do that for 3 seconds. And again, we do digital right, direction clockwise low, direction anti-clockwise also low. Same thing, we just stop it for another 2 seconds, and then the loop goes on and on and on. And this is just a basic code. You can change it however you want. I've also attached the link to this code in the description below. And also please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below as well. So now we will make few changes to our code. I will make this the maximum speed, and then I'll also make this high, and this one as well. So just to show, this should also do the same. This will stop, this will also stop. Making both the pins high will stop the motor, and this will also stop. So in order to run the code, you just verify it, and so no errors found, and you can just click on upload. This will upload the code to your Arduino Nano. So as you can see down here, uploading done, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and please like, share and subscribe.